how to restore Line chat history without backup. So if you want to restore your Line chat history without backup, then just watch this video. Losing important chat history might be frustrating on your Line app, but don't worry, there's a simple way to get it back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore your Line chat history on your iPhone or your iPad. So you just need to simply go and install iMyFone. Just go with the website, the official website, and download the chat back for Line. Click on the products tab and then select chat backup from the Line from the drop down menu. Click on download button to download the software. Once the download is complete, you need to open the software and follow the prompts to install chats back on your computer. Now let's move on to your iPhone. Make sure you have the latest version of Line application on your device. Next, you need to connect your iPhone to your computer using a lightning cable. Launch chat back on your computer and click on the start button. After that, the software will automatically detect your iPhone and display a list of available chat history to restore. Just select the chat history that you want to restore and click on next. After that, the software will begin restoring your selected chat history, and this may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the restoration is complete, open the Line application on your iPhone to check the restored chat history. And that's it. You have successfully restored your Line chat history using the software. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.